Hi everyone, this is Gila Monsters Gunning. Welcome back to my channel. Last night it was raining all night last night and the garden took a beating. The shells, everything stood the beating last night. Really hard wind and rain all night. This fella, got to fix this over here. Yeah, the star apple took a bit of beating. We lost a couple of leaves, but that's alright. She survived it. Hopefully she'll heal herself next few days when the sun comes back out. But yes, everything took a beating last night. Let's just check. Seems to be doing alright. I moved the star apple from there to here because it was just, wind was way too strong and raining heavily. But on the bright side, garden doesn't need to be watered for a few days. Looking good. I'm glad it rained.